Hello friends, I am sharing two companies today, which I am thinking that these two companies can give very good returns in the future. So, and also these companies has given technical breakout on the lifetime high. So these two companies, one is from IT company, that is KPIT Technologies Limited, and another is Polycab India Limited. Okay. So these two companies recently given their lifetime high breakout. So that is why I think these two companies will perform very well in the future also. So as these companies given breakout just now, so this company, as per my multi-bagger idea setup, so this company is meeting the criteria of the multi-bagger. So we will see the first Polycab India Limited. So as the Polycab India Limited, the chart you see, this is the chart, weekly chart. Okay. And this company has just given the weekly breakout here. Okay. Breakout is given and the retest is also done. Okay. So I think this company from here onwards is a buy on dip company. This stock can perform very well in the future. Okay. So this is the first company. Also, we will see some fundamentals of the Polycab India Limited. So about the Polycab India Limited, the fundamentals is market cap 18,233. Okay. PE is 22.6. So it is okay, means it is fairly valued. 22.6 is fairly valued. Okay. And look at the ROCE, it is 29%. It is huge. It is huge. Okay. And return on equity also 23%. So it is also huge. That means company is doing really good. That is why they are giving so much good returns on the capital employed as well as on the equities. Okay. Face value of the stock is 10 rupees. This is fantastic. Okay. Uh, Another one is debt on the company is very less, almost debt free. If you look at the debt to equity ratio, it is 0.05. That means company is debt free. That means it is excellent. Okay. Also, the company is giving some dividend also. That is 0.57%. It is okay. So no problem. If we look at the about the company is the leading manufacturers in the cable, wire, and allied products such as PVC conduits, lugs, glands. Okay. Uh, Recently, Polycab started manufacturing wide range of consumer electrical products such as fans, switches, switchgears, LED, luminaries, solar inverters. Basically, this company is consumer theme. Okay. As the Indian economy will grow, this company will also grow. If we look at the company means basic structure and company means basic what company is doing, it is excellent consumer theme, a consumer theme. Okay, so as India will grow, this company will also grow. So here in the introduction, it is clearly written Polycab is number one manufacturer of wires cables in India with market share of over 18%. So 18% market share is huge if you think. Okay. So, and company network, if you see 3,500 dealers and distributors, okay, and 1,25,000 retail outlets. Also, this will grow, okay, because company is growing 23%. So this will also grow yearly, okay. So as per me, the company fundamentals, these are excellent. This is a consumer theme and company business model is excellent, okay. If we look at the some of the pros, company reduced the debt, almost debt free, and company has delivered a very good growth of 35.59% CAGR over last 5 years. Okay, that means this company is doing really good in fundamentals. Okay, these are the company competitors: Finolex Cables, KEI Industries, Universal Cables. Okay, these are the company competitors. Okay, and if we look at the P of this as compared to the competitors, it is 22.56. Competitive to competitors, it is little bit more, but this company is in demand. That is why this P is more. Okay, means the investors are looking after the company and ignoring these companies. Okay, that is why the PE is more, because investors are interested in Polycab India Limited. Okay, so going further, this will goes on increasing as per my view. Okay, another one is see the ROCE percent. Okay, return on capital employed as compared to the peers. It is highest. Okay, second one is the KEI industry. This one, but Polycab industry is the highest one. Okay, and if we look at the sales quarterly in crores, look at the competitors. It is the highest one. Polycab India is the highest. Okay, so in every parameter, Polycab India Limited is the highest. Net quarterly, NP quarterly, okay, net profit quarterly in crores, highest profit, okay, as compared to the others. Now we will look at other parameters. These are the yearly parameters from 2014 to 2020. Company's operating profit, see, from 299 in year 2014 to 1128 crore in 2020. See the growth, tremendous growth. Okay, so this company is performing really very well. Also, if you see the yearly increase is too much. 480 to 720, then 950, then 11. Okay, so yearly they are giving consistent growth in the profit. Okay, also the operating margin, it is also very good, yearly increasing. Okay, and if we see the net profit after tax, it is also yearly increasing. Obviously it will increase. Okay, and the EPS is, see, from 12 rupees in 2014 to 50 rupees in 2020. See, 5 times EPS is increased, and also the projected EPS is showing 54 in this first 3 months. Okay, that means it will increase much more as the financial year, next financial year close. Okay, so fundamentally this company is very strong. Okay, so another parameter, this shareholding. Look at the shareholding of the promoters. Promoter shareholding is 68%. So this is very good parameter. That means promoters have faith on their business, so they are keeping maximum equity with them. So 68.53 is very good shares the promoters are holding. Okay, so this is about the fundamentals of the Polycab. Okay, so as per me, this Polycab India Limited just given the breakout, so we must take we must have this stock in our portfolio for the very good multi-bagger returns. Okay, so if we take this stock in our portfolio, then our stop loss should be, this is for the investment, not for the trading. So I will keep the bigger stop loss here. Okay, I will keep this around 800, will be 800 40 will be my stop loss, this zone, or around 800. As this is for the investment, that is why my stop loss will be big. Okay, so because I will accumulate this stock on every dip. Okay, so this is my investment bet. Okay, and my position size will be accordingly my stop loss. Okay, I will not risk more than 5% or 10% of my amount on this Polycab India Limited. Okay, so 788 will be very good stop loss for this investment. Okay, and conservative traders can keep this stop loss 1022. Okay, this is also very good stop loss. Those who want to take small risk, they can keep 1014 stop loss on monthly closing basis. Okay, but as per me, this stop loss 788 is safe, because after 788 this bullish structure will fail. Okay, so this is very good stop loss for Polycab India Limited. Another stock we will discuss is KPIT India Limited. KPIT India Limited is also just given a lifetime high breakout. Okay, see here it has given the lifetime high breakout and it is retested and again it is going up. Okay, so this is also fulfilling one of my multi-bagger stock criteria. Okay, so that is why I am sharing this stock. If we look at the company business model is excellent business model. Companies, global technology companies specialize in providing engineering solutions and services to automobile and mobility sector. Okay, if we look at the company business model, see the company business model, it is IT company, but it is providing solutions to the automobile companies. Automobile companies, if we see the electrical now vehicles, they are in demand. Okay, so this company is did partnership with one of the electrical vehicle automobile company to provide them solutions and all that. Okay, so provide them the technology. So business model is very good for this company. This company market cap is 3915, PE is 30. It is fairly valued. Company is giving growth around 18%. Okay, debt to equity is 0.22%, so it is also okay, no problem. EPS face value is 10, still okay. About the company, this company is giving healthy dividend payout 18.5%. Also company reduced the debt recently. Okay, and these are the company competitors. Okay, and company, if you look at the company competitors, they are good players like Tata Elxsi, L&T Technology, this Coforge. They are very good companies. Even though this Persistent System, okay, this is also a very good company. This all the companies are very good. So this company have very tough competitors in front of them. Okay, but still this company is doing good. Okay. Another, if we look at the yearly EPS, okay, so from -27 to 2 to 5, okay, so jump is from 2 to 5. So EPS jump is very good. Okay, also the operating margin is 14%, around average 14%. Operating profit is increasing 92 crore to 290 crore, and projected is also showing around 287 crore. Okay, so this company has just given the breakout here. Okay, so that is why I will go long in this company for the investment purpose. Okay, my stop loss will be here, roughly around 100. This will be my stop loss for the investment. Okay, because after this this bullish structure will change. Okay, so these two companies, Polycab India Limited and KPIT India, KPIT Technologies. Okay, so these two company looks good to me. That is why I share. Thank you very much all.